Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto by YouTube channel. Inside this video, let's talk about the latest update of Pi Network. Especially, I will talk about the Binance listing. Even we will check 80% bearish for the Pi Network, 80% bearish for the Pi project, for the price of the Pi coin. At the last, I will show you how to complete your 2FA inside your Pi wallet application. Yesterday, I uploaded a video about 2FA. This is the latest feature, the latest update from the PiCo team. So most of the users, I can say all of the users, commented, they ask how to complete this 2FA. Tell us step by step. So inside this video, the whole thing I will cover. Make sure watch this video, share this video with everyone, and now let's get started. If you are new to this channel and you want to get more videos about Pi Networks, Crystal project, meme coins, cryptocurrency, crypto updates, then make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while upload any video. So first of all, we will check about the Pi Network. The Pi Network, the price is moving sideways, the price is falling down, there is no any volume, no investors, no new buyers, only those who are just holding the Pi coin. So most of the users might be confused whether to hold the Pi coin, to sell the Pi coin, or to purchase the Pi coin from this dip. You know what? Inside the coin market cap, you can see 80% bearish for the Pi project. This is the sentiment. If the sentiment is bearish, so the price will fall down. Any project, not only the Pi Network, any project, whether Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, even the Pi Network, even the Hamster Compact, even the ICE Network, if the sentiment is bullish, so everyone will be bullish. Everyone will purchase the project. If the sentiment of any project is bearish, so no one will start purchasing. Everyone will start panic sell. So this is cause the price to fall down. And now the same thing you can see with the Pi Network. The Pi Network, the price is dropping because inside the coin market cap you can see 21% bullish, 79% bearish. Although inside the coin market cap you can see the ranking of the Pi coin is now at 16, and now you can see the circulating supply just reducing day by day. Yesterday it was 6.84 I think, and today it is 6.81 billion. If the circulating supply is reducing, so why the price is not pumping? But the problem is the market cap is dropping. The market cap now it is 8 billion. In one day increased 2%, but daily volume dropped 34%. If the daily volume dropped 34%, it means that no one is interested to purchase Pi coin. This is real. My honest review. At the current stage, no one is interested to purchase the Pi coin. That's why, yesterday, all cryptocurrencies, even Bitcoin, Ethereum, all coins pumped very well. But Pi coin moving sideways. I told you Pi is totally different from other cryptocurrency. If other markets are pumping, Pi Network falling down or sideways. If other cryptocurrencies falling down, Pi Network start pumping to the upside. So this is about the Binance listing. Binance is talking about launching a first vote to list. Although the first vote took place on February 17, 2025, which is about the Pi Network. Even if I show you the picture in here, you can see. We want to hear from you. Should Pi be launched on Binance? Vote now on Binance Square and share your thoughts. And now you can see. I think it's about yesterday. Yesterday they just tweeted, you asked for it, we made it happen. So Binance is excited to launch the first ever vote to list round featuring BNB Smart Chain exclusive tokens. So already we did it with Pi Network. Already we done it with the Pi Network. I can say 87% voted yes to list the Pi coin inside the Binance. But still Binance did not list the Pi coin, which is about 1 month. So now they just newly they started a vote to list round. I think that they should list the Pi Network because already we did it. Already we just voted about the Pi Network listing inside the Binance. I don't know what the Binance is doing, but the problem is if the market cap is decreasing, if the daily volume is decreasing, if there is no any liquidity, if there is no any volume, trading volume, if there is no any new investors, so Binance will not list the project. Binance, do research before the listing. I know most of you now will say in the comment section, Why they list Trump coin? Why they list meme coin? Binance only see the liquidity. Binance only see the volume. If any project having lots of trading volume, so definitely they will list the project within 1 day, within 1 hour. Because the exchanges need the volume. Because of the volume, they will get lots of fees. If they get lots of fees, it means that they will make lots of money. So this is what, let's wait, let's see what Binance will do this Pi network listing. Although we just gave 87% vote to list the Pi coin inside the Binance, but still there is no any update. Although there is no any update from the PiCo team. What PiCo team will say about this? No update from the PiCo team. PiCo team is not giving any update about the listing. Only 4 exchanges, no more than that. At least PiCo team should give some updates, some news about the listing, whether in the coming futures we will see any listing or no. Only I don't know what to say about the PiCo team, but anyhow, the problem is, yesterday I uploaded video about 2FA authentication. Now everyone should complete the 2-factor authentication in order to migrate their Pi coin to the mainnet wallet. So I deeply explain how to do it, but inside this video I will tell you how to complete 2FA step by step. Most of the users is still confused how to complete this because there is no any option inside the Pi network application. You cannot find any option of two-factor authentication to verify your email address. There is no any option, there is no any feature. So how to do it? Make sure to check this article. Everything is available inside the article. I don't know why you are not checking this. Okay, check in here. The 2-factor authentication. It will receive a prompt in the mining application to do so. It means that there is no any feature. There is no any option to do it. Automatically it will pop up inside your mining application. Automatically. You don't need to do anything. If still you did not get it, don't worry about that. Just wait for a while. Because this is a new update. Wait for a while. Slowly everyone will receive this pop-up verification. Most of the users, they are in a hurry. How to do it. Don't worry about that. Be relaxed, be calm. Soon you will receive a prompt in the mining application where you have the option of to complete your email verification. Okay. So the next thing I should tell you about this. Inside the article they mentioned that alternatively pioneers can complete 2FA wallet confirmation through the mainnet checklist. I checked the mainnet checklist, but I did not find any option to complete the email verification. If any of you completed your 2FA using the mainnet checklist, let me know in the comment section. Because I checked, but I did not find any option to complete the 2FA inside the mainnet checklist. So if any of you done it with the mainnet checklist, let us know in the comment section. Help the pioneers in the comment section. Okay, so one thing I should tell you. In order to complete your 2FA, you will see, check this screenshot. You can see this screenshot. So automatically you will get the pop-up, the pop-up inside your mining application to complete the email verification. There is no any option, there is no any feature. So how should I show you inside the mining application practically? If still I did not get the pop-up, so how should I show you? So don't worry about that. If still you did not get the pop-up, so don't worry about that. You will get the pop-up in order to complete your email verification, because the 2FA automatically will prompt inside the mining application, automatically pop up inside your mining homepage. So and then you can complete your 2FA. After that, make sure to complete the liveness check in order to confirm your email verification, and then you can migrate your token to the mainnet wallet. So this is what I'm telling you, because inside the article they mentioned that, see in here, they will receive a prompt in the mining application to do so. Read this. It means that you will get a pop-up inside your mining application to complete the 2FA. There is no any feature, there is no any option inside the mining application to complete this email verification. I hope you understand now. If again you have any confusion, feel free to ask me in the comment section. So this is all about the Pi network. I hope you understand this video. I hope you like this video. Smash the like button 20 all-time high. Still do not subscribe to our channel, make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while I upload any video. So till the next video, goodbye, see you.